Morning, another day. It's a sanding day. Have a look at me working here like Santa's little elf. Working hard. Just sanding. To scrape the glass. Any little bits of paint that get in here, off they come. Easy peasy. You don't even have to be Japanese. Yeah. And then these little guys. Little bits of little bits of paint. Well, we're not putting up with that. We're not going to take that line down, are we? No, we're just going to clean it off. No problem, as they say in the Hebrides. No problem, Hamish. Just falls off. And you're good as gold. I can see me. As you can see, I've cleared out all the wall hangings from here. All I've got left is 4 tables. Done 1 table. And they need like a good hit with the old sander. Yeah, they just need a little something. Where natural wear would occur. You know what I'm saying? You know, if you have clumsy people in your house and they were always banging into things. Children, dogs, young people, whatever it takes. Or that you've traveled a lot and moved around a lot and your furniture came and followed and was treated roughly, and just the natural wear would be along all these little lines here. Yeah. So I'm going to carry on. I can't do this with one hand. Look. My husband brought me a grilled cheese sandwich and some sick soup. That's what we call it, sick soup. Lipton's chicken noodle from the package. Because I'm working like a demon out here. I've got 2 left. I've just sent him up there with the 3rd last one. Yeah, wasn't that sweet? Done, 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 done. And I've cleaned up. Brushed everything off. There was a lot of sanding dust. swept the floors, and everything else is up in the house, so yeah. You'd think I'd be done, but then I sort of thought, you know, anything that's a tabletop's going to need some protection. That's French, let's see. I can't read French. Paste finishing wax. Or sur un pâte de finition. So anyway, this particular Minwax brand, rub that in, rub it off. It's a lot of work, a lot of elbow grease, but it gives it waterproofing for, like, you know, putting down a mug of tea or just wear and tear. So I'll put that on some of my tabletops later. I'm so happy to be done, and it's a blustery day. Bye for now.